I picked up these Clean People dryer sheets because they were rated very highly, and I wanted to slowly phase out some of the more toxic ingredients in my cleaning products. This particular product is made with essential oils. Now, right out of the box, it smells so good. However, I will say that after using one sheet on one load of laundry, the scent was not that prominent when I took it out of the dryer. So I may try to add one or two additional sheets when I do my next load. So one thing that I did notice is that my clothes were not staticky, and it didn't leave any weird oil residue on my clothing. So overall, I would give this product a thumbs up. I am going to try some of the other scents because there is one particular scent that doesn't have fragrance. Some of the other scents have fragrance in them. So if that's something that you don't like, be sure to pay attention to that.